everybody, what's going on? Rookies and Stars hobby box. Hobby. 2 autos, 2 mem cards. Last year I was missing one of my autos, and I did the online Panini thing for a replacement, and I still don't have it. So a year later, unwrap 5 numbered parallels, 2 Optichrome inserts. Look for hobby exclusive, dress for success, great American heroes signatures, and more. Alright, let's do this. Five numbered parallels. If I could get a good rookie parallel, that would be sweet. What are we looking at here? 10 cards per pack, 6 pack. So there's no more cards in this hobby box than there are in the longevity box. I don't know what to say about that. You would think in a hobby box you would get more cards, wouldn't you? That's kind of crazy. And only one more hit. So with that in mind, you may want to consider a longevity box. You can save a lot of money if you go that route. You're going to get 2 mem cards and 1 auto. And you know that here the best you can hope for is that one of the autos is good and the other's going to just be average. So, I don't know. Just saying. Throwing that out there. Something to consider if you're wanting to buy this stuff and you haven't yet. Alright, chart. Jones. DeAndre Swift. Ooh, I like that. Mommy likey. Look at that. It's a 99 longevity auto. I like him too a lot. Nice start. And then look at this. Jacob Eason, rookie parallel to 99, like an orange. Oh my god. And then Joe Burrow, rookie rush. What a first pack. Holy moly. Khalil Mack, action pack. Ticketmasters, Russell Wilson. Standing O, Kenyon Drake. And then a Tua rookie. And Peoples Jones. Donovan Peoples. What a first pack. Oh my, that card looks so good. That Eason. Heck, so does this. Wow. Alright then, maybe there is a reason to get a hobby box over at the longevity box. As often, I stand corrected. Wow. Alright. Keenan Allen. Howard. Stafford. There is a Lynn Bowden Jr. True Blue rookie to 49. Yeah, these parallels are looking really good. They look really sweet. Von Miller, action packed. Edwards-Helaire, rookie rush rookie. Very nice. Patrick Peterson. There's a Peyton Manning. Looks like a purple Crusade. That is numbered to 35. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely taking back the longevity thing. I mean, you're not going to get that many numbered parallels in the other box. Henderson and Terrell are the rookies there. So you got to pay up if you want a bunch of the goodies. Alright, Roethlisberger. I think we got a jersey here. Breeze, and it is Jake Fromm. Ooh, that's a patch to 25. Wish we had that just a little bit further down, just a little bit more color in there, but that is still really nice. Wow, good stuff. Numbered parallel, Tyler Lockett to 99. Beautiful. Ticketmasters, Derrick Henry. Standing O, Justin Tucker. Touchdown Club, Lamar Jackson. Rookie Rush, J.K. Dobbins. And then Daryl Taylor and James Morgan rookie cards. Kind of speechless. This stuff is nice. Alright, Brown, Kerrigan, Baker. There is a Saquon Barkley Ticketmasters parallel to 99, like orange, I guess. So there's parallels of the inserts, which I'm not sure they did that in previous years. Tyrann Mathieu action packed. There's the Saquon regular version, which has red foil at the bottom. Standing O, Drew Brees, Cameron Jordan action packed. Keyshawn Vaughn and Tommy Stevens rookie cards. What are we looking for still? We're still looking for one auto and one mem. I got something thick here. I don't know if that's going to be ink or just a jersey card. We'll see. Gurley, Minshew, Fitz, Ruggs. I love Ruggs, obviously, because he's an Alabama guy. And that is an autograph. Dress for Success jersey auto. He's got a good signature. It's numbered to 99. Nice. Man, this is a fun break. Love variety. Jordan Love, Rookie Rush. DeMarcus Lawrence, action packed. Josh Allen, Ticketmasters. There is an Airborne Aikman. I think that might be a parallel. Yep, it is numbered to 75. I think that's red. Nice. Our rookie cards are Mims and Arnett. The only thing I would say, it looks like some of these are maybe a little bit rough cut. But other than that, everything has been amazing. Alright, Eckler, Parker, Nick Chubb, High Octane, jersey to 199. A good looking card, fun design. Sweet. Let's see. Isaiah Simmons, red to 35. So another numbered parallel. Baker Mayfield, standing ovations. Touchdown Club, Aaron Jones. Jake Fromm, Rookie Rush. Leighton Vander Esch, action packed. And our last rookies are Derek Brown and boom, Joe Burrow. So I got Tua and Burrow in the regular rookies in here, which with only 2 rookies per pack, that's definitely not a guarantee that you're going to get either of those, much less both. And then all of these goodies with 2 really decent autos, bunch of numbered stuff. I mean, wow, you can't really ask for more than that. Man, that's a fun break. I'm going to go back and not poo-poo on the longevity. If that's what you want to spend, then get it. I mean, that was a fun break too. But you're just, well, you'll see. Watch both the videos and then you can compare and make up your mind. And watch some other people's videos and then you can decide how you want to spend your own money. I'm not going to tell you how. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Hope you're all well. And I will see you all again. Shoo, bye. Bye.